Alright, in this video we are going to continue doing polynomial division, but this time I'm going to use something called synthetic division. You can only do synthetic division when the divisor, in this case x plus 3, is just x plus a number or x minus a number. So synthetic division works for problems like this. If we had x squared plus 3, for example, you could not do synthetic division. It can't be squared, it just has to be x. Alright, or let's say if I had 2x plus 3. I couldn't do synthetic division with this kind of a divisor either. Alright, it just has to be x plus 3 or x minus 2, or the number doesn't matter. Okay, so synthetic division is easy and fast. If I want to divide by x plus 3, I take the opposite. Technically I'm setting x plus 3, hold on, I don't know why I put something that looked like a 7. Technically I'm setting x plus 3 equal to 0, and I am solving it. And I'm getting x equals negative 3. I don't like to say opposite because what if it had been 2x plus 3? Okay, then if I really was desperate to do synthetic division, then I would have to divide by 2 on both sides, and I'd get x equals negative 3 over 2. Alright, and that is what I would put in the box. So now, a minute ago I said you can't do synthetic division when you have 2x plus 3. That's not strictly true. You could still do synthetic division. It's just a hassle with fractions, and I don't recommend it. Okay, anyway, it's x plus 3, so we will go with negative 3 in this little box. Now, next to the box, I put a row of coefficients: 2, 3, negative 4, 15. So we have the 2, 3, negative 4, 15. Leave space for a second row and draw a line. Alright, in the last column, put another box, sort of like this one. And now you just bring down the first number. Now I'm going to multiply and add. Multiply and add. So 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. Add these up, you get negative 3. Negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 9. Add these up, you get 5. And 5 times negative 3 is negative 15. Add these up, you get 0. Alright, this doesn't always have to be 0. Sometimes there's a remainder, but this time there wasn't. Now these are the coefficients of a polynomial. If I put the variables back in, it's going to look like this: 2x squared minus 3x plus 5. Okay, considering that this is just a remainder, that makes this the constant term, no variables, and that makes this the x term, and this is the x squared term. Okay, so that is the answer to number 8. I'm going to do the same thing for number 9. Synthetic division. X minus 3, so I'm going to put a positive 3 in the box. This is 1x squared, so I'm just going to put 1, 7, and negative 30. So I bring down the 1. 1 times 3 is 3. That's 10. 10 times 3 is 30. Alright, so here's another one with no remainder. Alright, that makes it very simple. So when I put the variables back in, I get x squared plus 10. I'm sorry, that's false. My goodness. This is the constant. That makes this the x term, not x squared. So this is just x plus 10. My bad. Okay, that's it for this video.